Hiai video percentage part 3 ahi direct formula apply the question te ending tuna abana PAITE nga e percentage to kisai direct formula zata question si the hi atai pin kahon khena hi type 1 te hi ending if the price of a commodity increases by p%, then that percentage reduction in the consumption so as not to increase the expenditure is tiche hai dan te formula kha p upon 100 plus p into 100 na ke pya a ya kha value puta solve ding hi mai hi ya kha percentage reduction why bana if the price of a commodity decreases by p%, then the percentage increase in the consumption so as not to decrease the expenditure ya why channel kha formula kha p 100 minus p into hi p 100 minus p into 100 formula wa cha zating wana thum na umaya if the price of an article increases by x percentage then a person increases expenditure by y, then how much percentage consumption should be increased to maintain the same expenditure kachamo ai le ha formula x minus y upon 100 plus x into 100 ai ha percentage consumption increase pen ki moding ya kha atunga x minus y pen kha largest percentage minus smaller one ong hidi tamzo in kha tomzo pen minus diwa ja ka ya kha mani e question dong zo ya kaung ki khil mai te mo na khai cham te dinga ya teng pan true kha question direct tampi solve te dinga hi if the price of an article is increased by 20%, then how much percent should be reduced in the consumption so that the expenditure remains the same mo ya kha ama sa pe ni jang dinga percentage reduction kha p into 100 plus p into 100 malaya kha p 20 engine 20 100 plus 20 into 100 equal to 20 upon 120 into 100 more 2 1s are 2 6s are 2 3s are 3 5s are equal to 3 2s are no 3 1s are 3 3 6 are 18.66% more approximately answer ong hidinga as a percent ka consumption are reduce ngai mo tuna ba na yendinga if the price of an article is decreased by 25%, then how much percent should be increased in the consumption so that the expenditure remains the same si chain kha ya kha formula ni na pen jang dinga p 100 minus p into 100 pen ya kha value put in ya kha 25 75 into 100 no 5 5s are 5 1s are 5 5s are 5 3s are 5 2s are equal to 100 upon 3 3 3s are 0.33 33.33% consumption increase ngai mo tuna third type in example here if the price increase kichiwa expenditure le increase by 15 mo how much consumption increase ngai ya expenditure ki change lo na dia che x minus y 100 plus x into 100 aya mo formula tuna value put dinga tamzo pen ko ma sa dinga wana yamzo pen ile tunga x ka 25 le 25 long din 100 no equal to 10 125 into 100 5 2s are 5 2s are 10 5 5s are 25 25 4s are 8% mo 8% consumption na increase nai ile expenditure ke bangli faida nahi tuna aban ai paidinga type 2 jakahon khen te endinga if a is x% more than b, then b is less than a by chi chain kha formula direct aw ma wa kha ya hi next upon 100 plus x into 100 ya kha when a is x% more than b, then B is less than A by this much percent mo. Hiai to opposite chetao ma, if A is less than B by X percent, then B is more than A by how many percent? This much percent here ka X upon 100 minus X ong hidi. A differentiate le atunga positive ya no ya negative. Pangzia kami chile atunga pena ka X is more B sanga tamzo hai le B bangza A sa tomzo a chile ka hiai. A ani na pena ka A is X percent less than B mo B sanga neuzo ai le B ka A sanga bangza tamzo Y percent lakyan de ka hiai. Siamte dinga formula poimo ma mai. Exam tampi tak tia direct question tamma ma hi. Tuna example ila dinga ya A earns 25% more than B. What percent less than B earn than A mo? A kha 20 B sanga 25% tamzo ai le B in A sangina percent bangza tomzo alo chia hi hoi kha formula atunga masa pen ahi hoi khai jang dinga x ka bangza 25 hai le ya 100 into 25 mo into 100 equal to 25.125 into 100 5 5 ja 5 2 ja 5 5 ja 5 5 5 2 0 equal to 20% mom. Then B is 20% less than A. Yahi my answer mo. Chidan question direct ahi ding ahi ya formula zanga mo chidan question teong pale. Tuna abani paidinga type 3 te ending. The population of a city at present is P and it increases at the rate of R% per annum. To find the population after n years, a direct formula ka P into 1 plus R and here P present population, R ka rate, N ka number of years. I let to find the population n years ago, a formula ka P upon 1 plus R. Yeah, mom. R pen ka negative positive negative positive zuya ka plus minus sign that mo. I let to know example line ending the population of a town increases by R 20% mo ya ka arong hi. If the population of the town is 6 lakh ya ka P only. What will be the population in the year 2018 in 3 years? I let formula ma sa pen isang ding 1 plus R I pen isang ding. I let P ka 6 lakh into 1 plus 20 upon 100 3 6 into 120 upon 100 120 upon 100 120 upon 100 no cutting hai 0 thumte to hai thumte cutting 12 into 12 144 into 12 1 into 144 12 8 8 2 4 4 1 8 2 7 1 1 7 2 8 into 6 6 2 is 12 6 7 6 are 42 43 7 6 1036 800 population after 3 years 2008 total population ka yaisa answer hai to na bhane paidinga the population of a village is 2500 if it decreases by 4% in the first year then it increases in the 3% in the next year. What is the population in the end of 2 years? Mo 2 years ocha a population hilding lele yaka kumtenga ki he ai jaka kha first year kha P n kha R kha minus 4 mo decrease yaka tuna first year of population zongkha kungai wa ja ya ni ngai mo n kha 1 hai le 2500 into 96 into 100 ya yun 25 into 96 ka jale 30 10 52500 ha P1 kumkhat zong hi hele to second year ha P pen ha 2400 hita R pen ha 3% hita N to 1 mount mo hele after second year population is 2400 into 1 plus 3 upon 100 2400 into 103 cancel 103 into 24 602 2742 2472 kumni nung changa he kha a population a he kha ide pen mo chidana jong khyak di ngai dinga tuna question khatin non dinga the population of a different trees in a field increases 10% more R1 in first year R2 second year R3 in third year if at present number trees yaka P find numbers of beginning in the beginning che yaka formula khat pe nung ti apply ding P 1 plus R yai pen mo so na apply ding 26730 upon 1 plus yaka first year yaka second year yaka third year decrease is yaka third year pen 26730 110 into 100 108 into 100 90 into 100 upon 100 so na katte onte cutting 5425 ja 50 2725 ja to na hiai ha 26730 here ek anoya ka 111 27 by 25 9 by 10 mo to na 26730 hai te tumlam hum la to leng kong kile golding wang 10 by 9 to na hai ka 11 2 ja 4 ja 3 ja ka 27 9 ja le 25000 hai jang pha mo initial akha in the beginning akha hai za trees on my him ekha answer tonight the siamta ki gingta a population to kisai hai tan hindi tuna depreciation kichi ending ai le machine to kisai a value aki kya naam changa formula direct azat dik che hi mo PAITE ending present value of machine is m1 if it depreciates at the rate of r% per annum che mo to find the value of machine after n years hi chang kha value kha is a notale formula kha Hiai 1 minus r n mo ya number of years ya kha rate m kha present value mo hai kha cham te hai minus sign hi wana to find the value of machine n years ago ai jong utale hi present machine value kha tu mangom dinga wana Hiai a value hi dinga atigel ni cham te dinga r pen hai le a increase ya decrease ya dung jo assign ki change thi haidan he formula tu na example khatila dinga population pen to le ki khelo he na example khatcha wila ding the value of the lathe machine depreciates at the rate of 10% per annum if the cost of machine at present is rupees then what will be its worth after 2 years ya kha among mo ya kha r n 2 after 2 years che chakha formula masa pen jang dinga m 1 minus r enong hidinga m pen kha m into 1 minus r 10 years kha 2 Hiai le nia hia 90 into 100 into 90 into 100 no. Hai te ke cancel a. Hai 0 ni to hai 0 ni cancel a. Into 981. Hai hi le 60 0 181 0 0 161 58. Chele 129600. Hai kha kumni zo changa. Hai value dikha hai za hi 1,60,000 agipan 1,29,600 sukmo hai ichidan te ichidan formula zata direct kazong the dinga hi tuna abana ipai dinga type 4 successive percentage change kichi endinga hai tele direct formula auma. If there are successive percentage increase a and b, then the effective percentage increase is given by formula a plus b plus a into b upon 100 no. Percentage increase kizoma khatki khatam lekha hai formula jading hai when the successive percentage is increasing as well as decreasing. Let's say a is increasing, b is decreasing, then the effective percentage is given as y changkha a b to minus chi na kha decreasing hai zia kama yang swa ka hi article ni formula tunga pen to hai hi cham te dinga exam tampi takya direct question ong pa ya example tane question ni heading formula jatna ding dan headline na salary of a person increased 20% initially then increases 25% again mo ya ka atma sa pen isang dinga a plus b plus a into b upon 100 mo a ka bangza 20 b ka bangza 25 plus 25 into 20 upon 100 45 plus 4 za 5 za 50% mo 50% change tuna bana ending the number is increased by 10% and then it is decreased by another 10%. The net percentage change masa increase to otherwise decrease mo ile a second pen ki jang ding a plus minus b plus a into minus b pen formula ki jang ding ya a kha 10 hiya b kha minus 10 hi ding 10 into minus 10 ang hi ding hi changna 10 minus 10 minus 100 upon 100 mo na ka ki kat ya 1 ong hi ding 10 minus 11 equal to minus 1 minus sign in penin ka decrease china hi percentage ka net change pen ka decrease che sakna mo hedan hiya chamte charle hanga formula te percentage part 3 hetan ai zo dinga video hoisa leman pasaten comments te konte sakon la channel ana subscribe pa video ana like le ana share dingin le ka hon gi ni ka gi pa ke